Good morning. Myself is Sachin Ramnath Kulsi Patil. I am presenting the presentation for HRDC Pre-PhD course 2021, which is organized by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. My topic on presentation on studies on microwave-assisted synthetic pathways of some nitrogen-containing 5-member heterocyclic compounds. My PRN number is 2015322266 and given Unicode is CHEM2108. Department coordinator name is Dr. Bapurao Shinte, Department of Chemistry. So in introduction, my presentation I would like to introduce to in short time. Heterocyclic compounds hold special place among the pharmaceutically significant natural products and synthetic compounds. The chemistry of heterocyclic compounds and their synthetic roots from the platform of medicinal, chemical and pharmaceutical research. These heterocycles have been studied extensively because of their ready accessibility and diverse chemical reactivities. Heterocyclic compounds show broad spectrum of therapeutic properties such as hypoglycemic, antifungal, anti-cancer, antimalarial, anti-HIV activity, analgesics, herbicidals, anticonvulsants, antitubercular, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, etc. I will be investigate the need and importance of these derivatives. There is need of incorporations of green tools for the synthesis. Next, the concept of green chemistry that encompasses a series of considerations like energy consumptions, atom efficiency, atom economy, solvent, catalyst, and sustainability of the chemical process has become very relevant. The replacement of petroleum-based hazardous solvents by green solvents such as biodegradable glycerol, polyethylene glycol, ionic liquids, water, etc., have been explored extensively as alternate or alternative solvents. Microwave irradiations have immense advantages over the conventional synthesis in terms of flexibility, reduced reaction time, use of less energy, cost effectiveness, variable bond forming efficiency, atom economy, operational simplicity, simple purification of products, and eco-friendly natures. I will be investigate the heterocyclic compounds as well as green media will be incorporated in investigate synthesized molecules will be characterized by spectra analysis. Then we investigate the green methods to prepare heterocyclic compounds like as microwave irradiations, ultrasonications, etc. Substantial deaccelerations of reaction time, hours to minutes, and greater yield render these alternative heating source and attractive chemical synthesis methods. The environment friendly protocols for the synthesis of heterocyclic molecules which utilize the use of alternate green solvents, green catalyst, catalyst-free synthesis or microwave assisted synthesis. The synthesis heterocyclic compounds and its derivatives focusing particularly on eco-friendly methods that avoid the hazardous reagents, solvents and catalysts are deemed especially relevant to the disciplines of medicinal chemistry and drug discovery. Over continuously changing the environment demands sensible and sustainable chemistry, organic synthesis started to follow green chemistry principles in recent years. Then it observed that microwave radiations has been widely used as a source of energy in organic synthesis in the past decades. Solvent-free reaction protocols work well under microwave irradiations. All these features make microwave-assisted organic synthesis and environment-friendly approaches. The major advantages are described. Microwave heating over conventional heating technique are shorter reaction time, then higher yield under milder reactions conditions. Neat reactions work well under microwave irradiations. Then higher purity of the products form and decrease the rate by product formations. All these features make microwave assisted reactions more towards greener and environmentally friendly processes. Then thank you.